道明遇难时22岁，他是湖北人，北京科技大学85级学生。1989年6月3日晚，田道明和同学一起赶往天安门广场，路上遇到戒严部队开枪。4日清晨，田道明随学生队伍从天安门广场撤离，在六浦口遭遇戒严部队坦克追杀。戒严部队释放毒气瓦斯弹，强行碾压。田道明被熏晕后碾掉半个额头，当场死亡。田道明是农家子弟，得知儿子惨死后，他的父母精神上受到很大打击。田道明的双亲都是天安门母亲群体成员，他们说，我们的儿子没有触犯中国的法律，也没有做危害国家的事，采用这么残忍的手段对待手无寸铁的学生以及北京市民，我们心中不服。他的母亲黄定英因病于2023年下半年去世。
田道明遇難時22歲，佢係湖北人，北京科技大學1985年入學嘅學生。1989年6月3號晚，田道明同佢嘅同學一齊趕往天安門廣場，路上遇到戒嚴部隊開槍。4號清晨，田道明隨學生隊伍從天安門廣場撤離，喺六步口遭遇戒嚴部隊坦克追殺。戒嚴部隊施放毒氣催淚彈，強行碾壓。田道明被昏暈後，剪掉半個額頭，當場死亡。田道明係農家子弟，佢嘅父母得知個仔慘死之後，精神受到好大打擊。田道明雙親都係天安門母親群組成員，佢哋話：我哋個仔冇觸犯中國法律，都冇做危害國家嘅事情，採用咁殘忍嘅手段對待手無寸鐵嘅學生以及北京市民，我哋個心唔會服。佢媽媽黃定英因病於2023年下半年去世。
Tian Daoming was 22 years old when he was killed. Originally from Hubei province, he was a fourth-year student at the University of Science and Technology in Beijing. On the evening of June 3rd, 1989, Tian Daoming and his classmates went to Tiananmen Square. On their way, the martial law troops had started shooting. In the early hours of June 4th, Tian Daoming was among a group of students withdrawing from Tiananmen Square. When they arrived at Liaobukou, they were chased by the tanks. The troops fired poisonous tear gas at the crowd. The tanks rolled over students and citizens. Tian Daoming collapsed, half of his forehead crushed. He died instantly.